Hi there, grade friends. Today I'm going to explain your biography project and the calendar that goes with it. So as you know, you were to research one person the first 3 days, and this is a resource right here that you can use. If you click on it, it will bring you to a whole list of resources to find different biographies virtually. So this is broken up into days and sections. So the first phase, phase 1, you're going to learn and answer the question, what is a biography? Day 1, the target. There are nonfiction and fictional parts of a biography, so you will learn about those. Here are some different biographies you can explore. Notice the different nonfiction and fictional parts in the different biographies. You can use these 4 biographies for the first 3 days. You can also use them throughout the entire unit. Day 2, the target is right here, identifying important facts. There's an activity to go along with this. You can use the same biography you used for day 1 and day 2. Day 3, inferring the larger idea or author's message in your biography. And again, you can use the same biography that you used from day 1 and day 2. Use it in day 3 as well. The next phase is research. So now that you've learned about what a biography is, you're going to use those biographies to research and learn about a person. So you're going to start an organizer on day 4. You're going to learn and write about the important facts, just like you learned in week 1. Day 5, the important facts, again, in your organizer. So you have 2 days to do this organizer. Day 6, you're going to do a timeline. So you're going to put your person's life in chronological order on a timeline, and there's a video to explain. The last phase, day 3, is you're going to write a speech and perform. So your speech is going to be in the first person. You are going to record a speech as your person. So right here, there's an example of a biography speech, and there's an outline right here that you can use. This first day, you're going to be writing your speech. The second day, you're going to be practicing your speech. Go out and practice in front of a mirror, dress up like your person, use different props, get creative. And then day 3, you're going to record your speech on Flipgrid. After you've recorded on Flipgrid, you'll see all of your classmates' biographies as well, and you can listen in to what they have to say. If you have any questions, let your teacher know.